This week, I didn't set up my week, and for the first time this year, I didn't fight it. 2025 has been very heavy in many ways I didn't expect. Emotionally, mentally, spiritually. And instead of pushing through the days that felt hard, I gave myself permission to rest. Winter is not a season of failure. It's a season of conservation. The Winter Solstice marks the longest night of the year, a reminder that even the earth pauses. Before planners, before hustle, culture, humans rested during this time. We reflected, we restored, we waited. The real season of renewal begins in spring when the light returns and growth is natural. So if you feel tired, anxious, or just resistant to doing more, you're not behind. You're honoring the season you're in. Rest now, reflect gently. Spring will meet you when you're ready.